Your mortgage consists of a whole bag of things, or actually a whole pot of things, as there are various ingredients that shape what your mortgage payment looks like. Hi, I'm Danielle, and this is Fresh Keys. I like to cook. And cooking means ingredients, which is a mix of things that make up the recipe. Same goes for your mortgage. A few things make up and impact the monthly payments you make, such as your age. How long you get to repay your mortgage depends on your age. The younger you are, the more time you have to repay. And more time means smaller monthly payments. Another thing that impacts your mortgage is your income. A mortgage is a loan, so how much you get to borrow will depend on how much you earn. You want to borrow an amount that allows you to pay your mortgage and still be able to take care of your monthly bills and expenses. In other words, you cannot borrow more than you can pay back. The third thing to consider is interest rate. The interest rate is calculated based on how much you earn at the NHT, or interest rates range from 0 to 5% depending on your monthly gross income. Outside of the NHT loan, shop around to see what your interest rate can get you on your mortgage. And much like cooking, if these ingredients are off by even a little, it could change your whole pot. So start the conversation early to see what your mortgage looks like and even tastes like. You can visit our website at nht.gov.jm for more. You can also reach out to us on our socials or call us at 888-CALL-NHT.